What's going on, guys? Back again, and finally my other package came in for the Dodge Neon. This is the important one. This is from Modern Performance, and it's the Performance Innovation Aeroforce Technology all-in-one gauge, OBD2 gauge. Comes with this quick installation manual. It just gives you a rundown on the gauge and how to power it and stuff, but it's pretty much a plug and play. So this unit cost me around $400. Not including shipping. So yeah, show you what's in the box. So you have the gauge with the connectors. If you go on YouTube, there's a lot of information about it and how to set it up and whatnot, but they throw in an extra faceplate in case you want to customize it and go either white or black. So I'm going with the white. And then it comes with this. I had to read twice because it's kind of confusing, but it finally made sense. This goes on the back, right, if I can get to focus, the top right there. And this is a jumper. You take this jumper out if you're gonna hardwire this gauge, and that's what these wires are for. These are pretty much signal wires, but the red is the power. So, and then the other two are for, like, if you want to run, read your AFR gauge, your readings, and so on and so on. That's what the green and white's for. So, and like I said, it goes, plugs right here up top, and here's your jumper. So, and if you're hardwiring it, you want to take that jumper out and then go from there. But if you're just straight plug and play, you do not need that wire loom, whatever it is. And you want to keep that, come on, focus, come on. Anyway, you want to keep that relay in there. So that's bugging me, that's not focusing. There we go. You want to keep that jumper in there for a plug and play. So like I said, I did a lot of research about this thing before I got it and whatnot. So, and they include a 5-foot OBD2 cable, and then this part right here goes into the bottom right there. So it's pretty straightforward. It's just you can't really screw this up unless you're going through it quick and whatnot and not paying attention, but it's just a plug and play. But the hard wires were models for any model under 2004 and older. So yeah, but that's what I got in there today, and I'm going to install it. The problem is with that I gotta customize because I didn't get a gauge pod like an idiot. Thought I did, but I guess I didn't. So gotta get a gauge pod so I can put it up there. And I'm just gonna run it like the SRT4. So what I'm gonna do is pretty much, I'm gonna run it up here where the SRT4 gauges would sit, one of them, for the factory boost. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do that. And then, like I said, the OBD2 connector is right under here, somewhere down here. So gotta do that, and then go through the setup process and whatnot. So yeah. Oh, the steering wheel. Totally forgot about that. I got it onto the hub and whatnot, so it looks really good on the car, and it feels so much better in the hands. So yeah. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then once I get that set up, I will go ahead and come back at you so you can see what it looks like. What is going on, guys? Back here again, and it is the next day from when I filmed the gauge pod install. I had a chance to install it yesterday and show you guys what it looks like. I got it all set up. So quick and easy plug and play. The only problem I had was the routing for the OBD2 connector. So I just ran it through here and then underneath. So everything's all hidden. So go ahead and turn it over here. Takes a minute. There we go. But this thing works fabulous. It responds really quickly. So what I haven't set up yet is the shift light. So I want to do that because I do like my shift lights. So yeah, that is the install of it, and everything's pretty accurate. So